Well, did you forget your coffee? It's Jay's Weekend Woodwork with another project. Just wait and see this beautiful handmade custom epoxy sign for my 50 subscriber giveaway. It was so easy after looking back that I had to share and let you know how to make it yourself in just a weekend. And no, to answer the question, I did not forget my coffee. Just a quick shout out again to the 50 subscriber giveaway. Find them on Instagram at Dax Barbershop. Remember, slow and steady is the key to success. It was at this time I took my trusty trim router with an 1/8 inch V-groove bit. I ensured the board was secured in place, the T-tracks and clamps came in handy. No. Subscribe, show your support. Now this is the part you want to remember not to rush. It is coming along nicely, and as you can see, I am still freehanding the trim router. There is no jig for this project, and you need to just slow down. Better to cut slow and steady than to have to restart from scratch. Well, you made it this far. Remember to check me out on Instagram at Jay's Weekend Woodwork, where I post daily projects on my mind and in the process. Well, I bet you didn't see this coming. I'm sanding again. Woohoo! It is though what makes your project so smooth and beautiful. And most importantly, no ouchies. Well, where did I go? Guess I didn't want you all looking at me while I was sanding. This is absolutely stunning. Now mind you, I have only completed half of it. Everything's cut and ready to go. Sand it down smooth. This Tyvek tape is amazing, and I put it on the bottom of the project. Makes it a little easier in the long run. Check this out, my favorite epoxy brand for my projects, UpStart Epoxy. Check out the link in the description for a 10% discount. Now remember, as in previous videos, I am using a 1:1 ratio for mixing and some mica powder for color. Ensure you mix thoroughly. Yep, I'm still mixing. Now that you have your epoxy mixed and your color added, take a plastic syringe and load it up. Minimize the air in the tube. You want to apply slow and steady to prevent any mishaps, or worse, longer fixes once cured. This is where your project really takes shape. The colors come to life, and you can see the hard work you have put into it thus far. It is truly satisfying. Don't forget to use a heat gun and ensure that you let it cure overnight. As you can see, I wanted to make sure that the table was level, considering I was in my garage and there's a slight angle toward the door. Level works makes easy for the self-leveling epoxy. Look at that glimmer. Mind you, this is a slow reveal. And it just so happens I missed out on my video of firing up the sign, placing the top layer of epoxy to finish off the board. But doesn't it look nice? Look at that barbershop. Established 2020. Remember, at Dax Barbershop. He's located in Ohio. Everybody go get their hair cut. Look here, it's the last step. Every sign needs a way to be placed on the wall, right? I decided to use a key bit with my trim router. Place the hole on the back for the sign to be hung. Yet it would have helped had I actually ensured the hole was going in the right direction. Check, check, recheck. Kind of like that phrase, measure twice, cut once. As it would turn out, I could have hung it upside down instead. Well, that didn't work. I decided to use the same hole and cut in the opposite direction. Can't wait to receive a picture of the hung sign in the barbershop. Now if you're joining my channel for the first time, be sure to know there's always a wonderful reveal throughout each project. I try never to forget my coffee. I love my Dunkin' Donuts. I show new builds each week that anyone can do on a weekend. I'm just a regular guy, a husband and a dad that works a traditional job by day and does this for a hobby when I have time. I thoroughly enjoy creating something from my own imagination. The beauty in woodworking is that you don't have to have the perfect plans, the perfect thoughts, or the perfect tools. Join my journey and see me grow in my skill, try new tools, build new projects, most importantly have fun. Hit like and subscribe to this channel, comment below and let me know some ideas that you would like to see next. Perhaps a skateboard.